Bitcoin handed in last night's homework overnight, a 4-step repair checklist, and only one of the boxes came back ticked honestly. Price is 63,069, down 1.4% on the day, with the first two closes above the 20-hour average since the hour before yesterday's high. Step 1 asked the market to hold the reclaimed floor at 62,742. 16 straight closes have done it, and after the reclaim hour, nothing traded deeper than 62,800. The equality target beneath, at 62,528, was never asked again either. The closest approach stayed nearly $200 above it. Yesterday's two wicks remain its only visits. Step 2 is the origin of the retired advance, 63,267, the price the last rally launched from. Repair has to close above it. At 5 in the afternoon, the market asked the question. The wick reached $34 over the origin, and by the end of the hour the close had come back $22 under it. Refused. 6 in the evening asked again. $34 over on the wick, $170 given back on the close. Since that second refusal, the market has not printed within $100 of the line. The question simply stopped being asked. What followed is compression. 13 hours in a $312 box closes inside 227, roughly a third of the delivery candle's range in 13 times the time. So, what is this bounce? Structurally, to grade it honestly, the chart needs the whole count on screen, so step back to where the decline started, 11 days ago. The top is 66,956. Wave 1 down ran $3,216, and Wave 2 gave most of it back, stopping at 65,744, the line that ends the count. Wave 3 is the working leg, first section to 62,742, second to 65,409, and the third opened with nearly $3,000 of decline in 13 hours straight into equality. Now, the rule that names the bounce. A fourth wave may not trade back inside the first wave's territory, and that territory starts at 62,742. This bounce has spent the whole night $500 inside it. The fourth wave label died on contact. What is left is a second-degree pause inside wave 3. The pause has recovered $836, about 28% of the leg it interrupts, and note how the 20-hour was crossed. The average fell $952 overnight to meet price. That box was ticked without merit. Back on the working chart, the upside branch is unchanged, close above the origin, and the next gate is the 50-hour average near 63,900. Steps 2 and 4 still stand between this bounce and the word repair. The downside branch is the same ladder as yesterday. The floor, then equality, and closes under equality extend, wave 3 towards 60,540. The invalidation has not moved. The read retires above 65,744. The sub-count regrades above the morning high. Momentum near 41 is recovered, convinced of nothing. Tomorrow grades the same 4 boxes, and the tape does the grading, not this channel. Levels describe where a move can pause, never where it must. None of this is financial advice. If the chart did the talking today, subscribe for the follow-up, hit the like button, and share this update with a friend.